It's been a while since I uploaded a Spin Master Monster Jam series truck here on Monster Truck Classics, and that's because for a couple months there has not been any new stock around my area, but finally there has been some new stock, and there's 3 trucks that I'm going to be uploading, but this one we're going to be looking at Stinger Unleashed, coming from Mix 5. On the back of the box, he is in Arena Favorites. We have the blue Jurassic Attack. Then we have Gravedigger the Legend. And then Dragonoid. Over here, Higher Education. Then Avenger. Dragon. Blue Thunder. And the training truck of Gravedigger. So let's go ahead. We're going to unbox Stinger Unleashed and take a closer look at this truck. It's nice to get an independent truck. There we go. We'll set the truck aside for now. We get a green figure. We'll see who's on the picture here. And we get Dragonoid as a picture. And then on the back, we have all the different trucks throughout the series. So that's cool. The last couple mixes of 2019. Maybe there's one more that is not on here. So you'll be able to see that. We'll set that aside. On to the truck. Stinger Unleashed has black rims. Also, it has a silver roll cage and a chrome chassis. Look at this. Very nicely done. It's kind of hard to see the graphics on the truck. That's because of decals appear transparent and metallic. Due to the fact that there is no white layer behind them. As you can tell, it's a little bit different, but the team of Stinger and Zane, they went with this kind of concept. They liked it, so Spin Master produced it. On the hood, we have Stinger Unleashed. Very nice. On the other side, we can see the Monster Jam logo. Doesn't seem quite as much with the yellow on there, but we can see it. There's the back. It's a trophy truck looking style on the roof. Now this was kind of hard for me to pick out what it says on the roof. I mean, I can make out the Stinger Unleashed, and then 797 or 77 wraps. That's kind of difficult to make out. And then there's also some kind of towing and recovery. So that's pretty nice. I wonder if they can do anything different so you can see the decals a little bit better next time. But there you have it, Stinger Unleashed. Thank you for tuning in, and hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing.